Let me push on it some, see if I can get it.
You have a flashlight?
Fancy tool.
Hey, we're there.
I think we just hit
We hit the, we're over here now.
1.25 inches. Yeah.
There it is.
Here it is.
Just a little bit, that's good. This is gonna go in there. We're over here at the property. It's a special day. Just kind of walking around. There's quite a bit done. Let me show you one thing that is done here. We got our new pole put in. We got our electrical wound or wired. And everything is hooked up. We already tested it and everything is working. Got our meter. Everything's working.
Why did we need a pole?
Because they thought it was too far of a throw from this pole to to the pole over there.
The
where
drape, they
where-
thought the motorhome wouldn't be able
Yeah,
to
they
clear it.
would. They didn't think it would clear, and they're probably right, huh?
Yeah.
So anyway, we got that all fixed. They did charge us for the
They hacked
pole.
that tree
Yeah,
also.
chopped our tree all up. I'll tell you what, the trees have been the biggest victim in this whole.
Yeah.
We got that one chopped back, but we still have a half a tree, which is nice because during the day we'll have some shade here. Just a couple of things, and it's kind of like this. I don't know. We spent a lot of money getting this pad done, and it's pretty lurpy. It's lumpy, lurpy, and everything else. So I'm gonna get another truckload of dirt in here. My brother said he's got a blade, a box blade. And he said he could come over here and smooth this all out. Once we get it all smoothed out, and get the low spots filled, and get the high spots cut down, and everything else, then I'm gonna get the rock in here, and then we'll be
'Cause
prepared.
If you stand where you're standing now and look in this corner over here, you can see the slope.
Yeah,
It's low on the left.
yeah, it's low over there.
Right.
It's high over here. And when it rains, we have a little lake right here. We have a little lake on the other side of the car right there. As you all know, I think some of you know, maybe not. Our truck, the engine let go last week. And so we're driving my sister-in-law's car. She's been nice enough to let us. She has a brand new diesel pickup. So she's letting her drive the Sunday car. But anyway, no matter what, we still have a lot to do. We are, let's go over here and do a little dreaming. This would be fun. There's a pile that's going to get burned here when we're here. I'll have to have a water hose over here and stuff. But we're going to turn this area here, right here, into a fire pit. And we'll have a barbecue out here and stuff. And when people come, we'll be able to sit out here underneath the trees. There's our pile of firewood
And trash.
and trash, but we're going to separate that out. We're going to get the trash in the fire.
Yeah, all this right here was in that.
Yeah, we're going to get that. That's going to go over in the burn pile. And there's another burn pile. And the plan is on the inside of this. Hopefully you guys are interested in this junk. Anyway, we're gonna take all this metal off the outside, and we're gonna put some wood siding on it. And this is not gonna be the doorway anymore. This is gonna be the closed up part. And there'll be a window here, and then we'll put a window over there and a window over here, and then the door is gonna go here. So we can open the door up, there'll be a screen, and then you can come in and out. There will be a refrigerator in here, and then there's going to be a water heater in the corner, because here's where I ran. This is the electrical here, and this is the water line. Right? And anyway, the water heater is going to go in the corner. We're going to drain out. And then washer will go here, and the dryer will go here. And it's going to be an electric dryer, so it's going to be 220. And then in that corner right there will be my air compressor. And then we're going to build over here. We'll build a table for folding clothes, and then we'll put a refrigerator right here in this area somewhere. And a wash basin's going to go. Wash basin's got to go over here by the washer. Maybe on this side. We'll make that.
We do still
We'll
have
maybe
some
make
stuff to pull down out of the attic and toss.
Yeah.
I think that's like a crib mattress box spring. I don't know. And maybe a footboard. I don't know what that is.
And we will end up eventually, it's going to be drywalled and insulated, and we'll put an air conditioner. We'll go over here on this wall. Just
Got a
wall
nice
there.
covered deck right here, you know?
Yeah. And then, I don't know what we're going to use that for. I'd actually like to take this out, and then we could park something. We could park
Sure.
a truck under here or something.
Yeah.
So,
Got the same thing on this side too.
yeah. The truck will actually fit under there right now.
Right.
The trouble is it gets hail around here, so you'd have to protect our vehicles
Right.
until we get the building up. But this is, I'm just gonna lay 3/4 plywood over the floor.
We need to because
And that is
it's
stiffen it up and,
kind of rotted.
make it pretty
Soft.
nice. I mean, actually, this place is not too bad a shape. But anyway,
So that box there was in when
that was here.
we bought the
You can see
property.
there's wiring hanging from the ceiling, so I don't know if we'll use any of that.
And like we
The price of
said,
electrical wire, we'll
There
use
was
what we
someone
can.
living in here, and they were
Yeah.
bootlegging electricity and water.
Yeah,
And our neighbor over here
ran them off.
ran them off.
Patty's
And
wonderful.
we are thankful.
We have a great neighbor. In fact, so far all the neighbors have been pretty nice. So.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, yeah, we're gonna make this something. Originally, I was thinking about just knocking it down, but I think the wise decision was not to, because especially in this day and age, it would cost you a fortune to replace it.
Yeah.
We'll just make it kind of a cozy little place for stuff. I don't know. I really don't want to put a bathroom and a shower or anything in there, but you could
You could.
do anything, you know. We'll know more once we've been here for a while. Like I said, I'd like to take this section out, and then that way,
It'd be a good
watch
spot
there's a
for.
spider coming down behind you out there. This is Arkansas, man.
Hey, spiders
Yeah,
better than snakes.
I've seen 2 snakes in 2 days. That's a lot of snakes. I'd seen 1 snake in all the time we've been coming here. Looks
So
like
we have a
something's
lot
been
of-
burrowing under there too.
Yeah, we have a lot of wood to split,
Yeah,
which is not a bad thing.
yeah. So this over here, I might take this little thing out. I don't know if it's supporting something or what it's doing.
I don't know either, but
It's old. Well, you looked at the Google Earth stuff. When was the last time
85, I think.
it was still here?
Yeah.
No, this thing's
Well,
probably
there used to be a house someplace on this property
yeah, it was
somewhere.
right back here, I guess.
Found a lot of kind of evidence of that when we dug the lines for water and
Yeah, there were
Sewage
black
and
water lines, and
electric.
white water lines, and
yeah,
old phone cords underground,
right.
X-fiber optics lines, but they're not there anymore.
Old glass bottles.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we do have water.
we do have water.
Water's working, sewer's working, electric working as of this morning, and yeah. And the thing was, is we've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I finally got a hold of someone at SWEPCO, and they connected me to this lady, and she's worked there for over 50 years. And we got to talking. I said, yeah, well, we're actually putting a couple RV spots in because we're a full-time RV. Oh my gosh, we just got an RV, and my husband would love to talk to you. I said, well, I'll tell you what, I'd be more than happy to talk to your husband if you could get my electric in. And she said, well, I'll tell you what. She's looking around. She goes, I can get it done by Wednesday for sure. She goes, if I can get it done any sooner, I will. So this morning, it's Monday morning, came over here and it's in. So
Yep.
her name's Patty too, so she came through for us. So anyway, we got a lot of scrub-a-dubbing. I'm gonna rock this in too right here.
Anyway, that's the update for today.
Yeah,
Trying to keep you posted as we go.
we're still on it, still working on it.
See you next time.